Hi, this is Miss MacPhee, and this is a video for my Math 6 classes. We've been working on adding and subtracting and multiplying decimals, and I told you that I would have a video for you today on tonight's homework. Tonight's homework is page 601, the middle section of problems numbers 7 through 12. And this is number 11 that we'll be working on together right now. I did rewrite it here so we could again show you that strategy if you want to use your paper and use the columns to help you organize your work. That will also be helpful if you were to add them. You could go ahead and just line up your decimals like buttons on a shirt and use those columns to help you keep everything in line. Remember, when you add and subtract, you do have to line up your decimals, but when you multiply, you don't. So we're going to start again by just multiplying. 7 times 2 is 14, and I carry my 1. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22. I put down the 2, and I carry the 20. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 2 is 51. Notice right now in my work, there's no decimal. I'm done with the 7, and I'm done with these 2's and 1's that I borrowed. So I'm just going to cross them out lightly so I don't get too confused with all of my work. I'm now done multiplying with that 7, so I'm going to make a placeholder, and we can use a little star or a little circle or a little happy face, and then we're moving over to the next place value. 9 times 2 is 18, carry your 1. 9 times 3 is 27, plus that 1 is 28, carry your 20. 9 times 7 is 63, plus this 2 that you carried is 65. I'm done with all my multiplying, so I can add them up. Again, no decimal yet. I get 4, 10, carry the 1, another 10, carry the 1, 11, carry the 1, and 7. My answer's not done until I place my decimal appropriately. We talked about estimating. 7 times 9 is 63, so I know my answer should be something around 63. That might make sense when you look at your decimal and ask yourself if it seems appropriate. We also talked about if there's 3 digits behind the decimal in the problem, there needs to be 3 digits behind the decimal in the answer. And that's always when you multiply. You count the number of digits behind the decimals in the problem and make sure that same number of decimals exists behind the decimal in your answer. We look for any inconsistent or insignificant zeros that we can get rid of, and in this case these zeros are significant. They do have to stay put. So your final answer is 71 and 4/1000ths. You're doing a great job. Thank you very much for your hard work, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.